This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're making some special treats for Chinese New Year. Today we're making egg rolls. One of the egg rolls we're using peanut and sugar, and the other egg roll is a traditional egg roll. So just crush some peanuts using a rolling pin. So this is a special egg roll. We use sugar and crushed peanuts. So it's actually a very simple recipe. So you just roll the egg roll, put a little bit on the roll there, and then just keep rolling it. And then put a little of the egg wash on the end. So just fold it in and do the final roll. So put a little bit on the end here, the egg wash, so make sure it sticks together. This is stir-fried kohrabi cabbage with ground pork. So you use spring roll pastry, or you can make your own. You can use store-bought egg roll wrap, or you can make your own. I'll be making some egg roll wrap homemade in the future, but for now we just use the ones that are store-bought. So here you just have the kohrabi cabbage with the pork. Just add some green onions on there. So you can use whatever filling that you like. So we're going to put a bit of filling in there. You put a bit on the end there just to glue it down. And then you just roll the egg roll. Keep it fairly tight. And then you put a bit of the egg wash, egg and water wash. And then you do the final roll. So you put a bit of egg wash there, just to make sure it sticks together. So there you have it. You can tell if the oil is ready. So you can see the little piece of dough frying. So when the oil is hot, put the egg rolls in. Just cook a few at a time. So we're going to do about 5. I've got a small carbon steel wok here. So this will generate heat pretty good. So you can turn these over every 30 seconds if you like. If you're more confident, just turn it over once. But if you turn it over all the time, they cook more evenly. So put some napkins in a colander. So when you take off the egg rolls, the napkins will soak up the oil from the egg rolls. You can use a strainer to take the egg rolls off. So just shake the egg rolls a bit so the oil doesn't soak in. There you have it, Chinese egg rolls. Enjoy. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Chinese New Year. Thanks very much to everyone for your support. So we'll be making more videos in the new year. So please like, subscribe, and any comments are welcome.